when he arrived at this land.
About the story of the Buddha.
Buddha taught that it is the wish of every being to have happiness and not suffering. And that is universal truth for all of us. Today, you have made a lot of wishes in your heart, spoken. It is a form of prayer. Prayer is a form of wish. May it all culminate for a bigger cause. Your wish may be for a very personal one. Some, your wish is you want to contribute towards something bigger. The land where you are standing. Manifest for that particular reason. It's Rinpoche's compassionate act that this place will manifest to help many others that we may or may not get to know in the future. But us here right now, our wish may expand, magnify so big that it will manifest into something that many others will benefit and not just ourselves. Every day when we live our lives, remember this wish that you have made. Make adjustment that our lives align with our wish so that in a way we are actively making it manifest. And that's how everything else is about.
Posting what happening now on the internet, actually on Rinpoche's blog.
Today is the first visitation trip to Kechara Forest Retreat. Actually, I'm from the members call, and then I'm coming here to make my offerings to Buddha Shakuni and to know more about Kechara Forest Retreat so that I can share with my friends what is it about. I like the place, it's very beautiful, very naturistic. I will see this as a future retreat center that will help people from all walks of life, all ages and cultures. That there will be many activities cater to their needs like meditation, organic farming, making candles. There will be like a floating canteen where people can enjoy while visiting here, have their food, as well as meditation and as a tourist attraction for the country.